excited to be here and share with you today. We have a special guest. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you share this out. Hop there on over to Facebook. Make sure that you share it and tell your friends to come on over and join us. We have a special guest with us today. We have Rob Sperry. He is incredible. You guys are going to have an opportunity to get to know him, and he's going to share some wisdom with us on consistency, family, video, and the power of your voice, of course. Make sure that you stay the entire time. We have some huge surprises for you all today that is sure to knock your socks off as well. Look, to kick it off and get us started, I'm going to go ahead and move it right on over to you, Adrian and Rob. So thanks, Adrian.
Awesome. I'm so excited. This guy who I am about to share with you, I know many of you have already had a chance to get to know. Maybe you're part of his gigantic Facebook group called The Game of Networking that has just amazing content from not just Rob, but many others. Rob was one of the first people that I got to know as I started contacting him 7 years ago. He's just one of truly the good guys in the network marketing profession, and phenomenally successful as a builder before moving over to become a coach full-time, and is just incredibly dedicated to this profession. So Rob, so grateful to have you here. Welcome to Nowsite. It's great to have you with us, buddy. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me. Honored to be here. Love to see so many faces on this, so many people excited, motivated. So we'll make sure we do our best to deliver.
Let's go. Let's go. I love it. So I'm going to put myself side by side with you here. So Rob, one of the things that I really admire about you, Rob is like the consummate family man, like just unbelievable the things that he is always doing with his amazing wife and his kids, going all over the world, coaching tennis, taking them to tournaments, doing all this stuff. And if you didn't share that that was the fact, you would never know it, because he's incredibly prolific and is just a master of being known, showing up on social media. And so, Rob, I just want to talk about, like, how do you do that to be able to allow people to connect with you so deeply, but not just give up your entire life to living as a social media influencer?
Yeah, I mean, it's tough balance in everything, right? And so there's a lot of different things, and I'll try to shorten it for you. But in terms of the way I think in terms of leverage, and with leverage, I think in terms of priorities, and then efficiency. Leverage is the key to wealth in anything, right? There are people that work 80 hours a week and make $10,000 a year, making nothing. Maybe it's a third world country, right? Maybe, it's an entry level type job. It feels like an internship. And then there are people that make a lot more money, but that work less time. So it's not so much always time like people think, because billionaires don't work harder than millionaires. Millionaires don't work harder than many six-figure earners. And some six-figure earners don't work harder than, you could say, someone that maybe is, say, a janitor, or maybe they work at McDonald's. And I'm not ripping on any jobs or anything. I'm giving this just for examples. So for me, I have to get really clear on my priority list. Instead of calling it a to-do list, I call it priority list. And so I have my big one, like Adrian's talking about. I look at it right now I've got this like castle drawn, and that's my priorities, and how do I protect them? And I've got God number one. I've got right there relationships number two, health number three, business is four, or you could call it work. And five is personal interests. And so I have those five. So I first look at how can I protect those priorities? Those are the most important things, because the last thing I wanted to do is go build this dream and make millions and millions and millions. But then I build the dream and say I'm doing it for my family, and then I lose my family, or I lose the things that are important to me, whatever those things are to you that you value and treasure the most. And so I created this whole thing where, how do I protect the castle? And I do like a whole hour presentation. I'll give it to you guys in 2 minutes. And it's actually in my book, Die with Memories, Not Just Dreams. And I've got a whole drawing of it, a diagram. And so I've got the wall that protects you. Those are the minimums. So those are the non-negotiable goals. I've got the standards, and that would be the drawbridge. And then I've got the moat that's even further out. That is the blitzes, the blitz goals that you have. And all three of those are crucial and important. Now I create the minimums in all areas of my life. So I make sure that I don't miss date night with my wife. I make sure that I don't miss personal development. Now my minimum is just do it, even if it's only for a minute every day, right? I do that for my business. You got your minimum new invites that you're going to make no matter what on your worst week. Now don't say you're going to make 20, because in your worst week, you're not doing 20. You may do 2 or 3, right? When you're like deathly sick or something happened. So minimum's supposed to be so low that you're just not going to miss it. Standard is what you hope to do on a regular basis. So maybe standard, I hope to do, I like to do an hour of personal development, right? Minimum is just do it. And so you have your standards. Maybe your standard is 20 new invites. Your minimum is just 2. And then you have your blitzes. I've never seen anyone ever crush it without having all out blitz goals. Never. Like it's in health, right? It's in relationships. You don't start out dating someone. You just say, hey, let's go on a date once a month. See how things work out, right? It's your business. It's everything in life. And so I create those. And so no matter what, even if I'm focused on my business, I got my minimums with my wife and my kids and stuff, so I don't lose sight of that. And that helps because I know there's no such thing as balance, but that helps where I don't totally lose sight of what's important. Because yeah, you may have maybe a struggling marriage, and that's where you got a blitz right now. You're like, I can't lose my business because I lose my business and we can't even pay our bills. So you got to have your minimums and your standards as you go. And so, that's how I do it. The last thing I do is I create my priority list. What are the 5 most important things that I need to do? I look at it, before I go to bed. I schedule it in my calendar for sometimes it's the next day, sometimes it's for the week. And then I look at it in the morning as well. And so I'm constantly kind of adjusting, right? What are the most important things? Because how many people are broke know-it-alls in network marketing? I was, where it's like, I worked 80 hours a week. There's no PB and TV. I didn't watch TV. And then it's like, how many new invites did you make? Like, well, I listened to 12 podcasts. I read 8 books, right? I watched the 12 trainings. I know our new secret magical ingredient that's coming out that it grew in the Himalayas that a sheep peed on during a full moon that's going to make you jump 6 feet higher, right? It's going to help you grow back an extra finger if it's cut off. You got your pending patents. I got it. But it's like, how many new people did you reach out to? And most of the time we fake work because we confuse being busy with being productive. So for me, it just took a long time because my association, right, was to like, I work X amount of hours, I get paid X amount. So I'm making sacrifices, but I wasn't really working. And so I still challenge it now, Adrian. I mean, even though I feel like I do really well at it, I'm still always trying to figure out how I can be more effective and manage my time. And so I look at days,
Yeah.
I look at weeks, right? I don't work on Sunday unless I'm out of town. I work very little on Saturday and I crush it Monday until Friday at like 2 p.m. And so I've structured my weeks, my months, my days, everything.
I love that. And you get and Rob's new book, by the way, is awesome. So I highly recommend. And thank you. He sent me a signed copy in the mail, which meant the world to me. He's going to come on. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about his book more on our podcast soon. But it's amazing, and we get into entrepreneurship. We get into this business to have more of what we really want in life, and money is part of that, but it's not the entire thing. And the word that you hit on that resonated with me more than anything else is leverage, right? As entrepreneurs, we need to create leverage. And maybe we're early in our career as a network marketer, as an entrepreneur, and we've got to maximize not a lot of time because we have a 9 to 5 job and we have family commitments and we have all these other things. Or maybe we are where we're focused on this full time and still we want to create that life where we are able to maximize our impact relative to the amount of time we spend. And I know you have been you were one of the people who I really learned how to show up on video and the importance of video really early on. I know you have had that as a really important piece of your toolkit, sharing your video, sharing your voice on social media, because it allows you to have many people feel like they know you without having as many one-to-one conversations. And so just talk a little bit about that, because you're somebody who I think has mastered that and who I've learned a lot from along the journey.
Yeah, I mean, it's a balance being effective, right, with time because you don't want to be there for everyone. At the same time, you want to be a people person and networking. So one of the things that I did is And I think your dad's the best at staying in contact with people. I mean, he's just so good. I know he's just would use the contact mapping, it was just automatic. But for me, I always reached out, even from 15, 16 years ago, to a minimum of 300 different people a month, non-business related. It wasn't fake chit chat, it was just being a good human being. And so I
Yeah.
would look at people maybe I hadn't spoken to. I would see their posts on social media, and rather than just comment on their posts, I would reach out. And it was quick. And typically it was voice message because I felt like it was faster and it was more authentic. And so that's the first thing that I would do. And I think if you're, no, I don't think, I know if you're a networker first, it helps you to be a better network marketer. And so again, it wasn't fake chit chat because some of those people, they helped me with other things in life and I helped them with other things. Now, of course, I want them in my business, right? When I was building, now I'm coaching. And of course, as a coach, I want them to be part of what I do. But I did things for the right intent, and in the end, I know it worked itself out. The second thing I would do is I would create really your top 50. And the top 50 are the people that were the people that I felt like were the more influential, that I wanted to stay in contact, that I wanted to collaborate, that I wanted to network with. And those people I would want to stay in contact at the very least every single month because there's much more leverage, right? With high level type contacts that you feel like you could do a lot together. And so those people I would make sure that, I had a lot more uh, conversations with than everybody else. And then that made a difference. And then little things, that you do that you start adding in, like, you know, holiday cards, whether you're Jewish or you're Christian, right? For me, I'm Christian. I send out, Christmas cards. Like for me, it was just another touch point, right? Of staying in touch with people and thinking of people. And so I would constantly do this. And then in my business, Adrian, this is not what you asked, but I'm just going to go with deeper with relationships. When someone said no to my business, I automatically set a reminder to reach out to them 2 weeks later. And I would reach out and I would just say, "Hey, Adrian, I know it wasn't a fit for you. I just wanted to tell you I appreciate you so much for taking the time to take a look. If there's anything I can ever do for you, let me know." And then I would set another reminder 2 months later to find something I could connect with non-business related. And then after that, I would set another reminder for a total of 6 months later. And sometimes a little sooner than six. But the point is no one likes the perceived taker, even though you're a giver, where you can help them, but in their minds, you hit them up, you don't reach out to them, and then a year later, "Hey, want to join my business again?" And they're just like,
Yeah,
"I
totally,
haven't
totally.
spoken to you in a year," right? Like all you do is hit me up about your business, even though you're trying to help them. The perception
Yeah,
is not that.
yeah, yeah. Those are so good. I love that. And that work is so important, right? Like ultimately, the things happen when you're talking to people. And so I think that's really important. The other piece I want you to touch on a little bit, if you would, Rob, is I think a lot of what you do and what you taught others and trained others to do is what are the activities you can do online that help to create that sense of familiarity with your
Yeah.
audience, with your network,
Yep.
before you even place that phone call so that it doesn't feel so out of the blue? And how does sort of video and voice fit into that?
So we look at leverage, and social media is leverage, right? Your goal is to turn strangers into, at the beginning, at least like familiar faces. You're not really friends. And then after that, you could call them social media friends because there's a difference between real friends and social media friends. It's like, oh, I like their content, right? And then eventually after that, they could turn into real friends. But look at it this way. I started years ago doing content every single day. And I was so bad at social media in 2014 or 15. I committed every day. And now I cringe. Those memories pop up and I'm like, what was I thinking? I thought that was a good post. So bad. But you got to start
You
somewhere.
remember when you used to do everything in your car? Sorry, I just had to.
Yeah, my
Like
my
all of
videos
them
that
were
I
in the
would
car for
do,
a long time.
right? Like I didn't even know what I was saying. I just pop it up in the side there and I'm like doing it like
Anyway, keep going.
so bad. Adrian remembers the bad ones because they were so bad. They stand out. You get better though. And then I committed to doing 2 lives a week, no matter what. I was doing first it was videos, then live came out, then it was two. So I was doing it before. So then I started doing two a week, right? And I wasn't very good. I mean, sometimes I would get one comment, and I had my business in 40 countries. I couldn't even get courtesy comments from people I was so bad on my team. Like you would have thought they would have kissed butt or something. No, they were like, I'm not kissing your butt. You weren't very good, man. And so it was like, oh, this is painful, right? You're putting yourself out there. But what happened is I got a little bit better. I'm going to talk about leverage here in a second, next level that you guys have, is people became more familiar with me. The people that didn't like me, they blocked me, they unfriend me, they mute me, they snooze me, they unfollow me. That's okay. Niches to riches. If you try to be everything to everyone, you'll be nothing to no one. The people that started to like my content, right? They started to engage more. They started to see my content. They started to share my content. I started building an audience. Now you think about it, maybe only 1 out of 15 people you reach out to say yes to your business or your products. But now as they start to get to know you a little bit better, maybe it's 1 out of 10. You compound that 1 out of 15 to 1 out of 10. That's a massive monumental difference. Then maybe eventually it's 1 out of 7. You just doubled your numbers. So now I look at it, and this is before we even had technology. Now you guys have leverage with Nowsite, where yeah, you can ask it a ton of questions and you can use it as like your freaking virtual assistant that's amazing. But now you can actually do videos. You can utilize their technology for voiceovers. Where I felt so uncomfortable, you actually have something that you can leverage for doing consistent content that can help you where people are becoming more familiar with you. The biggest excuse people have now is if it's easy to do, it's easy not to do. And so they don't take action. And so now you take the combination of what I did when I didn't have these tools and resources, which I would have just being naturally an introvert. I'm part of the introvert club and the recovering people pleaser club. So for me, it was like so scary doing these. I can't even imagine, like this would have been a dream come true for me to really be prolific with creating this consistent type professional content over and over and over. And even still, you'll get feedback on what people like and don't like and what to focus on more. But like I said, what did I say at the beginning that you loved? Leverage. That's the key to wealth. Nowsite is like the ultimate leverage tool if you utilize it and utilize it consistently. And so, I mean, I would be pumping out it. If I were going an all out blitz, Adrian, I would be utilizing your guys' technology, which blows me away. And I would go do a 30-day run with a video every single day. That's what I would do. And then after that, I would assess of those videos, I would assess which ones the top 3 were. And then that would give you insights on what your audience connects with. And then the next month, I would go do 30 more based on this new theory you have based on the evidence of what your audience liked.
So good. So good. And I love this, what Rob talked about, right? He shared with you his journey, right? We all have to go on the journey. You look at a Rob, you look at, people in your company or whatever it is, and like you're looking at people who are at a certain point in the journey, and that's not where you are. And what our job is at Nowsite, and I love what you said, right? Our job at Nowsite is to meet you wherever you are on that journey and make it 100 times easier for you to be consistent, 100 times easier for you to show up from right where you are and to maximize your leverage in your business. And Rob is a huge inspiration for me personally. He's a huge inspiration behind this. Small spoiler alert: you're gonna get to see more of Rob inside of our platform. There's gonna be more cool stuff going on. So if you have loved this already, if you're excited about that, give me a 7 in the chat because it's about to get real, my friends. Super excited about it. And Rob, I mean, I love the way you think about business. I think you're really strategic. I think that it's something that we all can learn from. And so, man, I just want to thank you with all my heart for coming on today and spending some time with us. I got a ton of value.
Well, thanks for having me. I'm excited to come back out several more times and help you guys any way I can and help create even more leverage, right? And hopefully you guys can learn from a lot of my insights and successes and many more failures to make it happen. But you guys know you've got the tool and make sure you use it for everything. That's the only advice I'd give you is don't use Google. Always go and use Nowsite, use the AI, because you're going to become better and better at it. And even when you have the world's greatest post, go put it in there, and you may still keep your post, and ask for suggestions and get so prolific at using it that you become better and better. And that's what's really helped me tremendously, especially really in the last year. It's made such a difference for me. So thanks for having me on, guys. I appreciate it. And I know we'll be on again soon.
Love you, brother. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you, bud. Oh my gosh. That guy's so like, I love the way he thinks about the world. He is the real deal. And so, yeah, so grateful to have him on. And, you know, I've been having a lot of conversations with Rob as we have been working on some of the new stuff that we are building, some of the new stuff that you're going to get to see some brand new things for the first time today. So make sure you definitely want to stick around for what we have next, because this is the thing, right? It's about leverage. And some of you're listening and you're going, that, you know, that sounds awesome, but I couldn't do X, Y, or Z because I am A, B, or C, right? I'm not ready. I don't feel whatever. And I want you to know, like, we exist for you. We bleed for you. We think about you all day, every day. And so I'm just so excited to hand it back over to the one and only Cheryl Coco, because we've got some incredible stuff in store for you next. So back over to you, Cheryl.
Thank you so much. That was incredible. Lots of great nuggets about, the power of leverage. And today we're going to share with you even more amazing things that you can do and use to build your business. Right, here we go. So look, we know that video is the biggest social media trend, right? Everybody shake your head. Yes, let's go. All right. But it's not easy until now. Lots of you have been using video AI. It's incredible. It's a way to effortlessly create professional videos to boost your brand on social media. And here's the thing, we want to leverage those tools, right? We want to get out there, we want to get our voice out there and video out there and post as much as we can to continue to build our brand on social media. That's so we become familiar with people, right? I heard Rob saying, make sure that people are familiar with you. So this is so cool. We've reached this point in video AI where we have over 400 5-star reviews. Yes, if you love video AI, drop me a 5 here in the chat. It's my favorite number. Love the 5s, love the 5-star reviews. I'm going to share a few of them here with you all, but you can share what you love about video AI here in the chat. Jay says, I really love the quality of my videos and how easy it is to have them created. Dr. Lisa, who was always like, let me out there to tell people my story about video AI, is like, these videos are taking my social media marketing to a whole new level. Love video AI. And Arlene, who says, I can't believe the views that I'm getting on my video. Every single one has been great, and I'm always shocked at the quality. Super awesome. So I want you guys to imagine if you could make every single video personal, create a direct connection with your audience instantly, and leave a lasting impression with every video you share. And you do this by using your voice. No, I was listening to Rob, and it was that familiarity. You want somebody to call you on the phone and you want them to hear you, or you want them to kind of get to know who you are, right? That voice of your own and how powerful it is. So you can create your no avatar videos with your own voice, adding a personal and authentic touch. And it's so cool because you could speak 150 languages. Awesome. I want to share with you some stats, the power of your voice and how cool this is. So do you know that 71% prefer videos with a personal touch? They want to get to know you, right? Who do we do business with? People we know, like, and trust. Videos with your voice have a 25% higher engagement rate. 90% value that authenticity in brands they support. 85% trust content when presented with your personal voice. We all know this, right? And we just got to kind of be reminded of these incredible things and how it sounds. And personalized videos can boost your conversion rates by 30%. And they're shared more. Videos with your voice are shared even more. Now, look, This is super cool. This is one of my, I don't know, one of my favorite things that we've ever done. Perk your ears up for this. This is video AI with voice. I want to share this with you. 100% of this video was created using AI voice clones. So this is voice clones, all right? Not the actual people, they're voice clone. Everybody ready? Listen up.
Hey everyone, this is Adrian.
And this is Cheryl Coco.
This is Robert Blakely.
This is the voice clone of Birgit.
Hey friends, it's Rena.
This is Sherry Sullivan.
This is Ryan DePaul.
This is Kawan Mayo.
We're all looking forward
To you having your very own voice clone.
Video is a game changer.
It's how you connect, sell, and build trust.
This is video AI using your voice.
Never forget how powerful your voice is.
Yeah.
I got freaking chills, dude. That is so amazing.
That is so amazing. Some of the people here are in the audience right now. That is using their voice clone, and all of the kind of mix and match, and you can hear them in it, right? It actually sounds like that person. It's so awesome. Like, this is Ryan DePaul. Yes, it is. It's so cool. This is the power of video AI. Well, with your voice. I want to see some of the comments here because this is really cool. Exactly, it sounds just like them. It's super cool. I thought so too. Lori says they all sounded like them. That was crazy. It really is. It's unbelievable. Well, how would you all like to have your voice cloned? I want to share with you how existing customers can get their own voice clone. But first, I want to see how many people want to have their own voice clone. Drop me a me here in the chat. Do you want to have your own voice clone? Me? Yes?
Just a few, it seems like.
In the comments, just a few. Here we go. I'm going to show you how you can get your own voice clone. All you have to do is go to videoai.now.site and pay a one-time $100 voice clone setup fee. Yes. No. You don't have to pay that $100 voice clone setup fee. We're going to waive it for you guys, which is even more incredible. I did trick you guys. Super cool. You can go to videoai. My wallet was already out, Chris said. I was ready. I was ready. We were ready to do it. I love it. So he said, my money was on the way. Go to videoai.now.site, sign up by August 22nd to waive the $100 voice setup fee. So go ahead, wave bye-bye to it. Just sign up by August 22nd to waive the $100 voice setup fee. We're gonna, you can send voice clips. Just send 3 one-minute voice clips to support@now.site. Our team's gonna reach out to you. It's gonna be really simple. We have all kinds of how-to videos on exactly how to do it in all the languages. I know some people are here that speak German, French, Spanish. We got you covered, and it's super simple. Do I tell you what to say on the voice clips? You can talk about whatever it is that you want, okay? And then you're gonna get your voice clone. So you can request your no avatar video and our team will use your voice. You're a current customer, yes. What should you do again? We're gonna proactively reach out to you too, okay? So really cool. You're gonna get your no avatar videos and our team will use your voice. Aren't you excited to kind of hear what the AI version of you sounds like? Right? Do we need to speak the language we wanted it to be? So look, this is great. I can't help but answer this question. We have even more for you guys, but look, you speak your own language into, right? You're just gonna send us these voice clips and your voice clone can speak 150 languages. You don't have to. You're good to go. It's really wild to hear yourself speak another language. Very, very cool. Okay. All right. So let's talk about current customer pricing. All right. If you haven't gotten Video AI yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is your sign. Did you need one? Now's the moment. Okay. So we have our standard plan, one custom website. You'll get 7 AI videos and your voice clone. That's $100 value. Okay. You can get it included. And we are not going to charge you that $24 a month. We are going to charge you just $17 a month. And you're going to get this voice clone included. Yes, Robert. Yes, you do. Yes, Robert. All right. And then the pro, you can go all out. You can get 3 custom websites, maybe 15 AI videos. And you can also clone your voice for just $27 a month. I love it too. This is super cool. We're ending this August 22nd. Okay. It's your opportunity to get your voice cloned. It's awesome. All right. Yeah, you're good to go, Lori. Yes. Okay. It's included. Here it is. It's right here for you, included. Awesome. Okay. Yes. And if you have that GoPro Now subscription, you'll get a $10 monthly discount. Okay. So what about new customers, right? Let's say you want to refer a new customer. How does this work? Well, they can get started today, right? And they're going to get access to My AI, which includes those unlimited social media posts, comments, and conversation starters, unlimited access to help me reply. Eric AI is in there, right? We want to make sure that they're building their business on social, but they're going to get a bonus of 7 AI videos, right? So that's that $24 value. Your voice clone, yes, as well, and it's free your first month. The total value is $124, and they're going to pay just $29 their first month. They're going to use code VIDEO. Use code VIDEO. Yeah, that is if you have GoPro, Martha. You're right. You're good to go. I see those questions popping in there. Make sure, hey, this is your chance to get it. All right? Awesome. Okay. Are they ready for more, Adrian?
I don't know if they can take it, but we're going to give it to them anyway.
I don't know if you're ready for more.
Sam's ready. Lori's ready. All right, let's go.
All right. All right. Talk it to me. I love it. Super cool. All right. So let's share. We have a huge surprise announcement. One I don't think anybody here saw coming. What if you refer a new customer by August 22nd? You give them that opportunity to get their 7 AI videos, try Video AI out. You tell them that they can get their voice cloned. You are going to earn a one-time $29 bonus. So this is super cool, something we have not done before. How many of you are going to do this? Take advantage of this opportunity. You're going to give them Video AI. They're going to get their voice cloned. You're going to help all of your friends get their content out there and be consistent on social media while using video. Super duper cool. And what if you refer more than one customer by August 22nd? You're going to earn $29 for every customer you refer. What? So what do I do now? What do you do now? If you haven't done so already, sign up for Video AI. You can do that by going to videoai.now.site. Run, sprint, do whatever you got to do. Get to videoai.now.site. You're going to get your voice clone free, that $100 value. You're going to get it for free, and you're going to refer and earn $29 for every new customer. It ends when? August 22nd. You can visit august2024.now.site for details. I have it all in there. So look, I know, hey, if you want to know what to do, what the code is, maybe you forget that the code is voice. It's all there for you. August 20. I'm trying to say August as best as I can. 2024.now.site.
Hey, Cheryl, can I ask a question?
Sure.
First of all, you said the code is voice. It's video, isn't it?
Video. Yeah.
Yeah, you said voice. Okay.
Oh,
Hi, everybody.
sorry.
Code is video. Okay, I have a question. Okay, so a new customer can sign up for $29, right? And they get video AI included, like for free, which is like, how much we charge for that?
$24.
$24. And we're also doing the voice clone, and we're not charging anything for that, and that's like $100. So that's good for a new customer. But then anyone who refers one customer gets the $29 that we just charged that person. So I just want to make sure that I understand this and everybody understands this. Okay. New customer pays $29. They get all the things: video, my AI, voice clone. So they pay $29. That $29 goes out to the person that referred them. So we get, like, as a company, we get literally nothing. Do I have that right? In fact, we get less than nothing, because we got to do all this stuff, right? We got to like provide the software, and we got to do the voice clone. We got to build a whole fantastic, product. So but we get nothing at all, right? $29 comes in, $29 goes out, and that new customer gets the voice and the video and all that stuff. That sounds pretty great.
I think it's a pretty great deal.
I mean, it sounds great. Yeah.
They think it sounds great.
It doesn't sound amazing for us, but that sounds great for everybody else. Okay, I just want to make sure that we understand what's happening here.
Yeah.
How is this sustainable? This is not sustainable, obviously. No, this is why we're only going to do this for a very, very short amount of time, because clearly it's not sustainable. But the good news, like, look, we're not crazy. Like, we want to provide amazing value to new customers. We want to, do something exciting because we want you to share it. And we'll be fine, right? We're like a successful software company, so don't worry about us. I'm just being a little bit kind of playful about the whole thing, just so people understand what's going on here, right? $29 comes in, $29 goes out to you. Everybody wins. It is a little nuts though. So we're going to keep it brief, right? Okay.
Yeah. This is great though. People are really excited about it. It says it's a win-win. Yes. If you already have, Justin, the question is, if I already have video AI, can I get my voice cloned?
Yes. Yeah. The people that signed up early are not being, there's no disadvantage, right? You're you get your voice too. So please, contact support, send in your voice clones, and we'll get cracking for you. So there's no, this is not like, we're not advantaging the new customer, like people who signed up last month or signed up yesterday or signed up today. You're in the exact same position. So enjoy, everyone.
People are asking there is a how-to video on videoai.now.site, and then you can click on the how-to tab. Adrian put it there as well. The how-to videos are in all the languages, English, French, German, Spanish. So all the directions are there for you. Yes. Juan turned his camera on for this one. I don't know why that's funny. It's great. Yeah, we got to hear the voice too. When is this available, Justin? I think they want you to just do it. When is it available, Justin?
Now. Let's go.
It's available now. Yes. Look.
Really, and by the way, look, guys, this is the beginning of how you are going to be able to use voice in a number of mind-blowing ways inside Nowsite. So video AI makes a ton of sense to use your own voice for that. But we're going to be providing other ways for you to use this voice clone. For example, we've got an amazing help me reply feature. Underrated, I think. My opinion. Where, if you're having a conversation with a prospect and they throw an objection at you, you can copy and paste that objection, or you can just kind of screenshot the conversation that you're having over text message or messenger or whatever. Just screenshot it, and the AI sales expert inside Help Me Reply will tell you how to reply. Currently, it gives you a text reply, but wouldn't it be cool if it also gave you an audio file? People don't like to read. Now they can listen to your perfect objection handling, to your perfect follow-up message. And when I say now, that's actually not now, that's later. But that's just kind of like, I want to give you a glimpse into kind of how we're thinking about voice, starting with the video AI feature. But this voice clone, we're going to use it in other ways. And so Help Me Reply is one example of how you're going to be able to use this in the future, just to make life easier and help you, make your sales and marketing efforts, more professional, effortlessly.
Just we love when you come in and share. We always get just a little bit more information than we bargained for. It's super cool. So love the fact that you guys are kind of seeing some insight into how powerful your voice can be, not just in video, but in the product as a whole, which is so great. Arba says this is better than Build-A-Bear. I just had to give a heart.
Hey, I don't know, they're pretty good.
They're pretty good. Yes. All right. So look, just really quick on the wrap up here. You can go to August2024.now.site. All of the details are there. Okay. And it'll link you right to VideoAI.now.site. It'll share with you where you can find your referral link as well. So if you're not sure where to find your referral link, it'll give you direction on how to find your referral link. So that you can get those bonuses as well. Love this. So looking forward to seeing the power in your voice, and this is something we haven't done. So I'm looking forward to seeing everyone share as well. Anything to add before we go? No? All right.
No, this was awesome.
It was awesome. This is great. Thank you guys so much. All right. Bye, everybody.